What's up guys, welcome to the channel Eddie's WRX. I just wanted to share with you guys my experience on going stage 2. I don't know if you guys know about stage 2 on the Subarus or WRX, but it constitutes a Catless J-Pipe or a downpipe, as well as a pill restrictor delete, and a tune to kind of match to go with that. So I did all of that. However, everything went pretty smooth except for one thing, which is the J-Pipe install. The J-Pipe has these studs on the turbo, 4 of them, in a pretty cramped location. But on top of that, the nuts are just, they're really bad and they're over torqued, and the threads get really mangled as you're taking it out. I noticed that most guys, when they upgrade to an aftermarket J-Pipe like a Grimspeed unit, they have the upgraded turbo studs as well as nuts that come with those kits. So that might be something to consider. We ended up reusing the OEM turbo studs because it was in pretty good condition. The only thing that we ended up switching were the nuts. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and play some clips. You guys can go ahead and see a quick time lapse of the install, and then we'll have a sound clip for you guys at the end. Thank you guys.
Rain, make it rain, girl, make it. 매주 하는 생각. What if it's just me? 영화 한 편 끝나듯이 as real as it can be. 급급했던 기억들은 where I can't just see. 창문 없는 방에 when I am so free. Mother Russia in my cup and my glass is fogging up. Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
When the sweaty walls are banging, I don't fuck with family planning. Make it rain, girl, make it rain, make it rain.